HTML code here. We have the code here. Look at it. So look at what the product display page looks like. That was generated for us just now. See, Big Daddy fashion, blah 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 blah. Then the product image will be here. I will show you how to put the image. Then you have two images here. I mean three pictures here. You have the luxury of uploading to the second, third, and fourth picture here. Then you can see the price, everything. If you have to do this by yourself on WordPress, at least it could take you 3 to 4 hours if you know what you are doing very well. But let's say 2 to 3 hours if you are very good at it. And if you are a beginner, because I assume most of you watching this video are beginners, to take you a lot of time, and it will even take you 2 to 3 days. So, but with the help of AI, we are able to achieve this within a very short period of time. So now I'll come over here. You see where my cursor is. I'll click here, and I have the whole code here. I'll just come here and click copy. Then I'll go back to our page that we created, and I'll search for, you see, search widgets HTML. I drag HTML and drop it somewhere here. Just drag HTML and put it here. So once this appears, you paste the code. So I'm going to paste now. Just paste. Ctrl V or Command V if you are using a MacBook, and Ctrl V if you are using a Windows PC. So you see what we have here. Now I'll publish. Remember, I said once you go to the link of that page, everything you've done will appear. So if you check this link now, anywhere on any device, everything we've done here would appear. I mean, everything we just did here will appear. Remember, I said whatever you do here, once you hit the publish button to go live, and any internet user in any part of the world can access this page. So this is what we have here. Now we have to edit it because it's not perfect here. Now, first things first, right? A product image should be here. The main product image. You can see what we have here. We have to fill these spaces up. So what we'll do now is let's check for this ZA fiber spray. Let's just get a picture online. So for whatever products you are selling, you should definitely have the picture. So let's say we are using this. Okay, then I'll download, save images. So I'll go ahead and save the image. The image is this format, this same AVIF format, it won't work. Let's look for a JPEG. Although there's a way you can convert that, but it's not necessary. Let's download it straight. I mean, there's a way you can convert from AVIF to JPEG using some online format converters, but we can just go ahead and get something that is direct. Let's see. Let's just pick this for sample. Yes. Let's see. All right. Save images. All right. So this is JPEG, yeah. So this format will work. So now what you will do first is to get your pictures here. You come back to your WordPress dashboard. You come to media. Then once you click on media, you have this. So you click add media file. Then you can drag and drop straight. So once you drag and drop, you see this load here. All right. All right. So you see this load here. For some of you directly, you see a link under here. But if you don't see the link, just tap on this image after uploading. You come down, you can see file URL here, copy URL. So I'll come back to this. Now I want to put that image here. You understand? We want to put that image here. So we've done the first step. We've uploaded it on our WordPress. Yeah, we've uploaded it, because if you don't upload it on your website first, it won't, you can't get a link to put here. So now we'll scroll down. Now the first, I know you are not used to coding, probably you've never even tried coding before. Same here, I'm not a tech bro, but you just have to use your brain and just follow what I'm doing. I'll teach you everything. So now the first section of the code is the styling. Yeah, would I call it styling? Yeah. Then the second half, the first half of the code has to do with the styling and the structure of the whole page. Then the second half has to do with the content of the page. So now all this will be in the second half. Everything you want to edit here would be in the second half of the code. So we have to scroll down. Just scroll down. So when I start seeing something that looks like, all right, you can see. When we got here, you can see. Then this is the body. You can see this place, the body. So just scroll down, you will get it. Scroll down. You can see where this cursor is. This what would I call it? This scroll bar here. As I'm scrolling up, is going up. So once you get to like half of the whole code here, you start seeing things. You start seeing some text that are similar to what we have here. You see it here. Everything you have here is in this code. So whatever you edit here would appear here. Now we want to put this image here. You can see. So how will I get this one for this image? I can see, what do we have here? Here now I can see, if you look at where this code is, pay attention. I can see trusted by 2,000 plus Nigerians here. Where can I see that here? This is it here. Pay attention. Follow my cursor. Trusted by 2,000 plus Nigerians. The next is pay on delivery. See pay on delivery here. The next is fast delivery nationwide. You can see that here. I'm highlighting it. Fast delivery. Then 100% authentic products. Then the next thing you have is product hero section. Then main image. You can see main image, which is the main product image here. Okay, so gallery margin, blah blah blah. Main image, main product image. You can see that here. Main product image. You can see that here. See where my cursor is. I'm highlighting it now. So you see what next? Replace with img src blah blah equals to your image. So this is what we'll do. From replace with, I come here, I copy this code from this img, from that which sign is this? Hey, voila. Also, you know, with tech bro, but I'm used to doing it already. So just follow patiently. This less than sign, you start copying from there with your image jpg. You stop here. Then I'll copy it. Then I'll come to Claude. I'll say put. Wait, I'm coming. Put this image. So now what's the image? What's the link to the image? I'll come back here. The link to the image. This is the link. I've copied it. Then I'll come back here. Put this image in, and I'll come here. I'll copy this code. You see, from replace with, you can see this sign here. So everything after this column, you copy it to where this hyphen stops. Oh, sorry, where this code stops, not hyphen. Where this code stops, you can see this code image src equals to the beginning of the code and the end of the code. You copy there. You copy till there. So you stop here. So I'm telling Claude now to put this image. I copied the link of that our image that we uploaded on our site in this code. Why is it giving us the? Hold on. Seems it added it to the whole code afresh, but that's not what I want. I would. Just give me only the code. All right, so I'll copy this and come back here and I'm coming. Okay. Which I'll go copy safe. Okay. I'm coming. All right. Okay. I got it now. So let me go back. Would replace. Sorry. Would replace this. This starting from. You can see replace with. Replace with. I just come here. Copy everything written in purple. I remove it. Then I paste the one Claude just gave me. You can see that the image has appeared. So what happened initially was that when I sent in the prompt, it put the image in the original HTML file. So it was giving us the whole product display page HTML document afresh, so that we'll copy and put on the website, then the image will appear. But we can't keep doing that because we still have different images. So what I just want is for you to put the image, the link to the image. I want you to put it in the line of code. So once I copy just this code and edit, the image will still appear. So I don't need to start prompting Claude to give me the whole sales page afresh and adding one or two other things. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. So it will be quite confusing, but pay attention. So if you come back here, you'd see replace each thumb div with image screen, blah 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 blah. So once we want to change any image, you see from this, you copy everything down here, then replace with the code to input the image that Claude would give you. So we've done that now, so I'll publish. Now we have our image here, right? We have our image. If you come back, if you come here and we refresh, if you come, you see the image has appeared. Now we have three other pictures to upload here: photo 2, photo 3, photo 4. So I'll just do for photo 2 in order to save time. Then you should understand by then. So let's get one more picture to use. Probably we can use this, or probably I'll just use only the image, only the product image. All right, so now after downloading your image, the next thing is you come back here to your WordPress dashboard, you come to media, then you can drag and drop. You can also click select files and search for it on your system. Now that we have the image here, as we did, we'll click on it, this pops up, we'll copy the URL, then I come to Claude, then I say put this image, and I paste the link to the image in this line of code. Okay, so I come back here. Now you can see so I'll come over here and where is it? This is this img blah 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 thumbnail. So I paste it here. If you don't understand anything, just ask Claude. It will give you the necessary feedback. In fact, when you are starting, let Claude know that you are a beginner. Yeah, you don't have any idea about coding and editing codes, but this is basically how to do it. I've never been a programmer all my life, but I've been able to build about 6 different sales pages, advertorials, listicles using AI. So if you're using ChatGPT or using Claude, just let it know that you're a beginner at this thing so that it can explain to you in ways that you can easily get it, because you definitely have 1 or 2 challenges. But for me, I can do it perfectly. Yeah, I may try something and I feel like, okay, I did not get this. Okay, I'm trying to do this, it did not work. Okay, to give me another way to do it, then I understand. So you keep learning. So I copy this and I come back here. So I select this old text in purple, then I replace. You can see, because it asks us to replace, you can see the image popped up here, but the one part of the image is cropped out. Yeah, it's not really, this is not really a page I want to use. This is not something I planned for. If not, I would have made sure that all the images are, because it has a dimension. You can see 600 by 500 pixel. I would have just put it on Canva and change the dimension of the image. Now I will not teach you how to do that one. So as somebody doing online business, one thing you have to know is you have to be manipulative. You must know how to manipulate. You must know how to manipulate and make anything work for you. So I click on publish. By the time I come back here, you can see this placeholder is blank. Then I refresh. The image has appeared here. All right. So that is how it works. Then I come back here. Then I scroll down. So for anything you want to edit, now let's check. Let's check here. Let's scroll down. You can see product info. This is the product info here. Air building fibers, instant full in 60 seconds. You can see best seller with this star emoji. This best seller has a star emoji. It is there. So everything you have here on this page was put together because of what you have in this code. So if I change anything, automatically to change here. So you can see product title, air building fibers, instant full air in 60 seconds. So let's say I want to change the 60 seconds to 90 seconds, because there are sometimes you feel, probably for someone like me that has at least to an extent some knowledge on copywriting, I can feel that, okay, probably I can even come up with an headline that is better than this. I can decide to change it. So let's say I wanted to change the 60 seconds to, let's say, to 45 seconds. I erase the 60 seconds in the code here and I enter 45 seconds, and you see that it appeared here. Then I publish. So the premium solution for thinning air, you can see the premium solution for thinning air, bad spots, and low air density works for men and women. Looks 100% natural. If I wanted to change anything again, let's say I want to remove looks 100% natural, I can edit that, but it's still okay. I don't need to remove that. So you can see the star rating, all those things. All those things are there. They are okay. They are necessary. Then I come back to you can see the price. Old price 55,000. That was cancelled out. Now imagine you want to build all these things by yourself. I don't know if you understand the joy I have knowing that I can easily come up with any sales page, any product display page, any form of website for my products, for my e-commerce business within minutes. So this is totally a game changer, and you have to take advantage of it. So includes 3 free bonuses worth 16,500 naira. You can see that here. So sorry, I almost made a mistake there. Then you come back here, it has a countdown. You can see this countdown timer. Yeah, only this blah 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 blah. So all this you can see. If you were to build it from the scratch, most of you may not have the marketing knowledge, the offer creation capacity and know-how to be able to put something like this together. So scarcity, guarantee, and many other things have been those techniques have been put in place here, so that you can get as many conversions as possible once people land on this page from your advert. So you can see this. I want to order now. Blah 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 blah. So why Nigerians are choosing this? So this is the product display page. You can also do a listicle. You can do an advertorial. You can do a sales letter. So that's how you sell different products. You don't do just one and you're not getting results. When there are 4 different types of sales pages you can do. So if a product display page is giving you 10 orders per day, an advertorial could give you probably 15 or 20 orders per day. So you test in marketing. You test until proven right or wrong. And you may do it and it may not work at all. It's life. It's part of business. So how to blah blah blah, the necessary details here. If I needed to change this picture here, I would look for it in the text here and I would change it. Product specifications. If you check through and you feel you need to get rid of anything, you remove them. So you just check the text here and scroll and see, okay, where is this? This no waiting, no long routines. Apply the fibers, part lightly, and your hair looks full and thick. Look at it here. No waiting, no long routines. Apply the fibers. So if I needed to edit something here, I can do that. So you scroll down. Let's look for how to use it. 3 simple steps. All right. Look at this. This is how it works section. You can see shake over thinning area. Shake over thinning area. You can see that in the code. You can see that here on the sales page here. Product description. Yeah. What exactly is it and how does it work? Look at it here. What exactly is it and how does it work? Now let's look for where this image is, this lifestyle or in use photo. Look at it here. Replace this with, you see, image black. Once you see replace this div with img src equals to the quote, just know that they're asking you to just replace it with an image, and whatever image you put here will appear here. Remember, once you have the image, you upload it first here, then you copy the link, you ask Claude to put it in the image code and give you as an HTML. Should give you as an HTML code, so you just copy directly. So product specifications, blah blah blah, and there you have it. You can see the form. You can see the form here. Now I will explain something to you because I don't use this form. So anything from here, right, from place your order now, I will remove it. Then I leave probably this last one here. So let's look for that. I will explain why I remove it, because this form, there are some settings you have to do to be able to use this form, and it may be too complex for you as a beginner, and I already have what works for me, so I don't waste time. So once they click on where's the order button, place my order, instead of it taking them down, scrolling down automatically to this form, it will take them to another checkout page where they will fill a very simple form, and you can easily get the details of this form to your email. So let's look for this. I want to remove this, place your order, this form, this secure order form. I want to get rid of it. Let's see if we can. I need to be somewhere down because it's towards the end of the page. Okay, you can see order form. You can see order form. Where does the order form in? Place my order. You can see select your states. Now all the states in Nigeria are there. That's why you have this. You can see the button. Place my order, pay on delivery. Place my order, pay on delivery. So everything from here. Let me see. I want to. Let's get rid of it. You see, I'm removing that gradually. I'm removing that. You just take time and be careful as you are removing it. So I'm selecting this. I'm selecting with shift, with the shift key and the arrow key up. So I'm automatically selecting it. You scroll down, select all. So because you can see different states. Yeah. So then I'll keep going like that till I get rid of the rest. You can see this other form where I started from. That's where I will stop. So I'll stop at this other form. So now you can see the other form is no longer there. The other form is no longer there. So I will leave this button. I'll leave this button because I need as many buttons on the page as possible. So once they scroll, some people might land on this page after seeing these first few pictures and the price and this headline. They want to buy it. They are interested. They are impulse buyers. They click on this one and another. But some people may scroll down. Probably after reading at this point, this person wants to order. Another button is supposed to be here. So there's a way you can copy and bring another button here. Or what you even do is when you are creating your HTML, let Claude know in advance. As you're watching this video, you should be jotting. If you watch like a movie, you will never get it. Let Claude know in advance that you want at least 6 buttons on your page. You should scatter at least 6 buttons across your page. So someone might get to this place and read how it works and I'm like, wow, I really love this. Okay, this content has answered my question, but can't find the button here. Some may not have the patience to scroll down, then you just leave the page and you lose customers. So you want as many buttons scattered all over your page. Another one here, they scroll down after reading this testimonial. Some people like, wow, okay, this thing is really working. I love the testimonials of these people. You want another button here. So you can tell Claude, always tell Claude or ChatGPT to scatter as many buttons across the page, across your page, so that people can always find a button to click when they decide before getting to the end of the page, because not everyone will get to the end of the page because most people don't even like to read. So that's why I left this button here. So we don't have many buttons on this page and it's not good. That's why you as a human being should be smarter than AI. It has done its best, then you should review it and know, okay, some things must be here, some things must be here. So the buttons is very important. Take note, at least 5 to 6 buttons across your page, across any page you are creating, whether an advertorial or listicle. Put at least 5 to 6 buttons. 5 to 6 buttons should be scattered across the page. So at least once they scroll, maybe every 3 seconds, or at every scroll, at every swipe, a button should appear. So you let Claude know that. So once if there are enough buttons here, then we are good to go. But there will be one more video after this. So that will be the part 3. This is the part 2.